Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys something I haven't done for a while, and that is some of the Blender courses that I have available on my Skillshare. Now, I know Skillshare is a paid feature, but if you use my link in the description, you can try it for free for 1 month to see if you like it or not. And during that time, you can actually watch some of these premium Blender courses. I'm not the only creator on Skillshare. There are other people who do like 3D and Blender and all sorts of creative avenues. But the thing here that I'm showing you here is just kind of a few courses that I put together, and these courses have been really well received. So just to give you an example, I'll take one of my recent courses over here, which was this kind of little animation here. You guys can learn how to make this step by step. It goes through all of the processes. Everything is nicely named in short little segments, and it comes with resources and example blend files. I also have another one that's been doing really well, which is my sculpting one. It has almost 1,000 students, and it has had tremendous feedback. So this will take you as a beginner through the process of sculpting. And in that tutorial there, I use a mouse, not a sculpting pad or anything, or like a drawing tablet. So you can follow along with your mouse, because I know a lot of you might not have any sort of graphical tablets. And then I have this one here, which is my 2D photo into 3D animation, which is also really popular. And this is a whole bunch of cool things to choose from. So like I said, if you want to get into these courses, I even have an absolute beginner's course here for people who've never touched Blender. Check out the link in the description. You can sign up for free for 1 month, and then if you don't want to go on to the paid version, you could just pull out. But if you like it, you can stick around and get the paid version. So I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.